We at News 5 know that thinking about the way students will be learning this fall can be stressful. We are fully committed to helping you rebound safely back to school. Tonight, we'll show you how various plans have important differences. For example, Mentor Public Schools, one of the first to come out with a plan offering two paths. Kids go back 5 days a week, or parents keep their children home for all online learning. But we are hearing now that could be changing to include a hybrid model to start the year. Meanwhile, Akron Public Schools, more complex. 5 days per week will only be offered to the youngest students. There's an option for a hybrid approach for everybody else, where kids go to school for 2 days and then they're home learning for 3 days. This is a moving target. 5 on Your Side investigator Jonathan Walsh dives into the potential impact on families.
They say timing is everything. With coronavirus, timing is everything. Is it the right time to go back to school in class 5 days a week?
Today, I want to outline our plan.
Mentor Superintendent Bill Porter says yes.
Based on the survey results, we know the large majority of you will choose to send your children back to us full-time.
He lays out guidance from the American Academy of Pediatrics, promises hand washing, extra cleaning, social distancing. But for Sherry Matea,
and just the unknown of everything,
it's not the right time for her kids.
we just are taking the extra precaution with having them do the first semester online.
Her son, Dean,
I'm pretty nervous about it. I mean, going into middle school my first year.
agrees the timing just isn't right.
It's going to be sad, but you know, it's the safest thing to do.
Sherry doesn't doubt the district's efforts.
To keep it clean, to feel that they're keeping the students safe, to make the parents feel comfortable.
But she's choosing its second option, all online classes for her kids.
It's gonna be weird not seeing my actual teacher and my friends.
Timing can be weird for parents too, especially working parents.
I can't teach what I don't understand.
Jennifer Cox has 4 teenagers in Akron Public Schools. She and her husband work full-time, tough to work and then play teacher.
We went to school, we learned how we learned. We can't relearn what these kids are learning today because it's a lot harder, first of all.
Akron's considering a hybrid model, having some kids home online 3 days a week and then bringing them in the other 2 days.
So now we're going to reduce the class size down to 12, where one teacher will serve 2 rooms.
I'm thinking that it would be better if they go back to school.
She says it is time for 5 days a week again, after her kids struggled in the spring with online learning.
I think their grades are going to fail because I know one of my boys' grades did fail, and it got worse after he was put on to the computers.
Her son, Jimmy Reed, didn't like internet classes.
It's hard, you know what I'm saying? It's better when you got a teacher helping you in front of you, you know what I'm saying, than working on a computer and not knowing what you're doing, because half of the kids don't know what they're doing.
To be honest, no one really knows if these plans are going to work out for students, parents, teachers. This is all new. They're trying. Some districts are even waiting to see where we are with coronavirus cases before they hand out their plans. So you see, timing is everything, especially with COVID. That's on its own time as of now. I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Jonathan Walsh.